Hey there, are you ready for a jaw-dropping transformation? Welcome back to Cleaning Hero Squad, where today we dive into a shocking mess that will leave you speechless. Let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Today we're in the home of a divorced man, where the state of his room is nothing short of alarming. It's a space that has been neglected for far too long, filled to the brim with garbage, clutter, and memories. But fear not, we're here to turn this shocking mess into a clean and livable environment. All right, let's take a moment to assess the situation we're dealing with here. As we step inside this room, we can immediately see the chaos. There are piles of trash scattered everywhere, old food containers, clothes that haven't been worn in ages, and dust covering almost every surface. It's hard to believe anyone could live like this. Each item we find can trigger a memory, but we have to remind ourselves, does it serve a purpose in his life today? If not, it's time to say goodbye. This process isn't just about cleaning, it's about making room for new memories and a fresh start. As we step into this chaotic room, the air feels heavy with neglect and despair. Our eyes are immediately drawn to the dark corners, where cockroaches scuttle in a disturbing frenzy, their glossy bodies glistening under the dim light. It's like a scene from a horror movie, Every crevice seems to be a hiding spot for these creepy invaders. As we step into this kitchen, chaos reigns supreme. The countertops are buried beneath a mountain of dirty dishes, stacks of takeout containers, and forgotten utensils, making it nearly impossible to find a clear surface. A once inviting space has transformed into a battleground of neglect, where food remnants cling stubbornly to plates and pans. As we step out onto the balcony, we're greeted by a disarray that's hard to fathom. The once peaceful outdoor space has become a cluttered storage area, with boxes piled haphazardly and forgotten plants wilting in the corners. Gardening tools lie strewn about, tangled in a mess of hoses and old soil bags, while a half-broken chair teeters precariously on the edge. The floor is sticky underfoot, with crumbs and spills creating a treacherous path. But what truly grabs our attention is the cooking oil, dried and caked onto the stovetop and surrounding surfaces. It resembles a hardened layer of armor, trapping crumbs and dust underneath. The pungent smell of rancid grease lingers in the air, a haunting reminder of countless meals gone by. transform this overwhelming mess into a clean, inviting space. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this journey, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Cleaning Hero Squad for more inspiring cleanup adventures. Together, we can turn chaos into cleanliness. Until next time.